Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at some more robots. Today we're playing the Dropper 100 stages. Today we're gonna be doing the normal one, and the next time we're gonna be doing a different one instead of the normal one. But as you can tell, I've been playing this, so I'm on like a lot higher stages. So this might take a while. Okay. Here it is. So we're gonna do the normal build right now. I'm on a high stage. Let's zoom in because it'll be better. I died. Hey, who's that? Oh, a song. How am I dying? I'm next. How? Oh no, I've been touched. If you guys want to enjoy it, I'm gonna be not talking, so you can if when the music comes on, guys, I'm gonna not be talking. So here's the music. Enjoy. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Looks like Hawaiian. If you guys make sure you guys go comment and subscribe to other channels, but make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my BFFs, and my other friends that I have. Please do not just like be doing stuff and not comment and like not giving other people a chance. But and thank you for 112 of views on reacting to Class 1A. I am so happy. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure you go comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe. I hope you. I'm gonna make more videos of it, so make sure you keep watching my videos until I find some more what's it called? Some more stuff. Stuff that I'm gonna make. So I really hope you enjoy this video. But no, I'm not ending it. But I'm gonna keep on continuing. Oh no, I got disconnected. No. But I'm gonna reset and come back. Oh, my internet. Give me one sec, guys. Why is my internet so weird? Guys, I'm going to go to my internet and go to my internet and try see what's wrong. Oh, my internet did. Ooh. Guys, wait, before we go on, and my Wi-Fi got cut off. What is wrong? Oh, my Wi-Fi is back on. No, I don't need your Wi-Fi. Oops. Oh, I'm going back in the game. Guys, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. And please, if you guys want to join my video, make sure you come enjoy my video, so I can have some people who love my videos, and they can come and join in my video. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like it. I hate it. Oh my god, I misdemeanor. Oh. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the music. Ooh. The dragon has returned! Oh my god! Go through this hole so we can escape the dragon, and make sure you don't die or you sit back. But make sure you subscribe and comment to me in the channel. Ah! Oh, and make sure you go to type in Charlotte Anderson, and make sure subscribe to her, and make sure you comment and like me too. Bye. Okay. Said my stuff. I died. Okay. Well. Anyways. Wait, where's the dragon? Where do you see a dragon at? I don't see no freaking dragon. Okay. Oh well. Ouch. Well guys, I'm taking the end of the video right here. Make sure you go click that subscribe button and turn notification. Oh, you need something, princess? Yes. Of course I do. Well, I wanted to say that I really love your videos. Thank you. I was wondering if I can join your video. I mean, like, sure. What's the name? Shaw Anderson. Type in Shaw Anderson. And you see it in green. Okay. One more thing. Yes. Make this level. Okay. I guess I can't end this video right now. I have to make this level, she said. She would never make this level. Mwah! Pushes her down. Wait, no! Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like this video. If you guys really enjoyed it, go ahead and join my channel, and to the Cupcake Squad. I see y'all next time. Goodbye.